wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 8 best French rolling pins. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 8. The honglida wooden pin is 13 inches long and features a smooth burnished surface. Constructed from strong, durable bamboo with a slight taper at the ends, it offers control over the pressure applied as you roll out your favorite pastries. It's small enough for easy storage and environmentally friendly. However, it is shorter than traditional pin length. At number 7, the Fox Run roller is made from solid marble. It's 11 inches long with a half-inch diameter and is designed in the classic shape of a dowel, so you can add rings to produce the desired thickness of dough. It's naturally non-stick. It comes with a storage stand and is easy to maneuver. It weighs just over 3 pounds. Coming in at number 6 on our list, the rsvp International Endurance is made from a solid piece of stainless steel and provides a smooth, seamless surface. This extra long selection measures 18 inches and the tapered design is easy for hands to grip. It's dishwasher safe and weighs 12 ounces. It's affordably priced too. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for French rolling pins or simply click beneath this video. At number 5, the Totally Bamboo is made from Moso bamboo that's organically grown and has a beautiful inlay of end-grain wood. It measures just over 20 inches long and is perfectly balanced with tapered ends. It's made from a renewable resource and is a lightweight choice with no detectable seams. Halfway up our list at number 4, the ebuns Essential is handcrafted with a finished waxed barrel that's easy to hold and that doesn't stick to dough. It has a 5-inch middle circumference and 3.5-inch tapered ends, and the paper ring that they use to mark it with is much easier to remove than a sticker. It's 18 inches long and includes a recipe ebook. It wipes clean with a damp cloth. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. The anolon 3-piece set includes a pastry brush and a wheel cutter along with a 19-inch long roller that's made from natural teak wood and is gently tapered to help ensure even rolling. It features a distinctive wood grain pattern and a classic European style. It's safe for heat up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. At number 2, the Ultra Cuisine Baker is made from stainless steel, giving it a smooth, non-porous surface that can be chilled in the freezer before use to prevent dough from getting too warm too quickly. It sports a brushed matte finish and won't absorb odors and flavors. It's almost 16 inches long. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the earlywood roller is made from a single piece of jatoba, which is twice as hard as maple. The tapered design and thinness of the barrel make this 20-inch pin lightweight and easy to handle. It's crafted by hand and can also be used for tenderizing meats. It's backed by a lifetime warranty. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for French rolling pins or simply click beneath this video.